What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock apps on iPadOS 18 for better security. With iPadOS 18, Apple has introduced a new Lock Apps feature, which allows you to lock individual apps using Touch ID or Face ID. This is a great way to secure sensitive apps, whether it's your email, banking app or social media, and ensure that only you can access them. Tap and hold the app icon you wish to lock on your iPad's home screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, you'll see the option to require Touch ID or Face ID. This option will depend on the hardware your device supports. iPads with Face ID will show that option, and those with the Touch ID button will display that as an option. Select your desired security method, and now you're all set. The next time you launch the app, it will prompt you to verify your identity with either Touch ID or Face ID, ensuring that only you can access them. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.